Morning students. So in this video we will revise the question answers of your poem number 5th, where do all the teachers go. So question number first, why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? So with the help of the imagination of a child, the poet wanted to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock, because this is the time when school get over. This is the time of off of a school. Okay, what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? So normal things like living in houses, washing socks, wearing clothes like pajamas, lowers, shorts, okay, we can say, and watching TVs, picking their noses, living with their parents, not spelling right like normal children's. Okay, all the children did mistakes, but when they tried, they overcome with this problem. So like being bad, making mistakes, getting punished, and wearing old dirty jeans. So that type of things, those things which poet discussed. What does he imagine about? So where teachers live? In houses. What they do at home? Wash their socks, wear pajamas, pick their noses, and watch TV. And the people with whom they live. So live with other people, and if they also have mother and father, means they also have their parents. The child imagines about teachers, their activities when they were children in school. So what he thought, they were also bad, made mistakes, never spelled right, and were punished in the corner for pinching the chocolate flakes. How interesting. Okay, why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that other people do? So because he had seen them as superhumans. They are strict, did not make any mistakes, and punish those who did. They, teachers used to punish the students who did mistakes. So they also wanted to know that ever they had seen them as superhumans. How does the poet plan to find out? What will he do once he finds out? So the poet plans to follow one of the teacher on the way when he or she back home that day to find out what they did at their home. He planned to find out. Now, what do you think these phrases from the poem mean? So, punished in the corner means getting punishment of standing in the corner of the classroom. Leave their greens means leaving the playground after the bell strikes for the next class to begin. So, these are meaning of that phrase is leaving the playground after the bell strikes. Okay, so students, learn them, revise them daily. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.